Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Apple, Pro Max. I haven't had a moment to open it, so today I finally thought, okay, I need to open this phone because I've had it for like a week or so. And I thought, you know what, let me open it for you guys and show you what it looks like. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share and comment. Let me know what you think. Don't mind me looking like a hot mess, looking like I've been cleaning or I don't know what it is, but I've had a busy day today and this is just how it looks. So I was using the 11 Pro Max, ended up selling it to my brother because he was going to buy a new phone and I thought I was going to buy a new phone, so I thought why not sell it to him. And right now I'm currently using the iPhone XR. Jesus, it's so dirty. iPhone XR, which is way smaller than the iPhone than the iPhone Pro Max, and it's got like the single camera, as you can see. But I did have the 11 Pro Max, which had the 3 cameras, so I kind of feel like I know what the 12 is going to be like. Just wanted to get a new phone, like consumerism, guys. I don't know, just be buying shit, but I just wanted a new phone because I love the camera from the 11 Pro Max, and anything that gets better than that, I'm like, yes, please. Because I use it for vlogging sometimes when I'm not using like my camera and stuff, so win-win, right? I'm investing in myself. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys the box. This is what it looks like. Don't mind my nails, everything. You know what? My whole self right now is just a mess. I'm a mess. So let's just open it. I love that sound. I don't know why, I just do. I feel like I'm a mess right now. I need my hair done. I need my nails done. It's crazy. Okay, so here we go. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so I like it. It's a very toned down gold, but I don't mind it. I really don't. Just open this cute pot up. Ooh. That felt really satisfying. And like 2 seconds later, there's gonna be fingerprints everywhere. So it's like a very like toned down gold, as you guys can see, and then it gets like really, really gold like on the side. But as you can see, that's like a fingerprint magnet. That's really cute though. I like it. I almost felt like it had a backing at the back, but it doesn't. It's just the actual phone. So this is what it looks like. I really like the gold, so good choice. And the cameras that the other one had as well. Absolutely love it. And then it comes with the cable for the charger. So I think they did away with the back, so it just comes with the cable. That's pretty much it. So that was me unboxing it, you guys. First impressions is it's gorgeous. I love the gold. I love that gold on the side. It's so cool. It's like jewelry on the sides. I love it. One thing that I don't like is obviously it's just gonna be like a magnet for fingerprints everywhere except the back because it's matte. But everywhere else it's like fingerprint, fingerprint, fingerprint. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna set it up. I also bought some accessories for it, but like just basic. I bought a screen protector and then I also bought like a clear case because I wanted to see the gold. But I do want to buy a cutesy case like from somewhere else later on. This is something I just bought really quickly the other day because I didn't want to, you know when you're like getting your phone and then you walk around with it for like ages without a case. and then it folds. Yeah, I didn't want that to happen, so I just got like a clear case for it, just for now. It looks so cute. But yeah, I want to get something that's much nicer than that. And then I also got a screen protector and what do you call them things? And like the ring, the back ring. Because I like the back rings. Like my old case, the one I was just using, had a ring on it, like built in. So I'm just used to them. So the phone is ready now, screen protector on and everything. Not my best work. It's got like, you know, it's got like dust stuff and it just has like little bumps in it. It's really freaking annoying. But yeah, I've done everything to it and basically it's like I never got a new phone. It looks just like what my phone did. It's just been like transferred. It's still transferring, so it literally just, it's just gonna look the same. But yeah, what a difference. Like this is quite massive. I wish I had my 11 Pro Max to see how big it is. I know I watched a video and somebody said it was actually slightly bigger than the 11 Pro Max, but I don't know, maybe it's the same size, but it's just like squarish. I don't mind that it's like the old school like square sort of feel instead of the rounded. I mean, it's still a bit rounded, but I quite like it. It's really cute. It's really cute and it's big and nice, and I love big phones. And I love how the gold is so subtle, like it just doesn't like, it doesn't overpower the whole phone. So that's pretty cute. I might not even change the case because this feels really nice and like lightweight and stuff. So I might actually keep using this. Hey guys, that's it for me. I'm not gonna do anything else to it. I mean, it's like all my stuff is trying to like download from iCloud, so it's gonna take a minute. But that's pretty much it for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. I love the color. I cannot wait to use the features like the camera. I can't wait to like take photos. Like I'm going away this weekend, so I'm gonna take like heaps and heaps of cute photos with this camera. I cannot absolutely wait. Yeah, that's the phone, you guys. That's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know if you have it. Let me know if you love it. Let me know what color you chose to get. And yeah, just let me know what you think of it so far. But I think I'm probably gonna love the camera and stuff. That's usually what I get it for, so let me know what you guys think. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next week. Bye. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'm gonna take some cute little photos. You guys will probably see all my cute photos when I start posting them on Instagram. I will literally be taking it with this phone, so I can't wait. But okay, no. But anyways, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you love the phone. Let me know if you have it, what color you got it in, what you think of it, etc. I'm gonna be taking like so many photos and videos this weekend with this phone, so I'm definitely gonna be letting you guys know what I think about it on my Instagram channel. My Instagram. But I will let you guys know what I think about it. But if it's anything like the 11 Pro Max camera, it's absolutely gonna be amazing, so I can't wait. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Say bye. Bye.
Bye bye.